What do we really know about space? Every day it reveals new mysteries that capture our imagination. Today we will share 50 facts that will change your view of the universe. And we begin with the most mysterious, its endless scale. Fact 1. Distances in space are measured in light years. 1 light year equals nearly 9.5 trillion kilometers. The closest star to us after the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is 4 light years away. These are distances almost impossible to imagine. Fact 2. The Milky Way contains over 100 billion stars. Scientists believe millions of worlds could be habitable. But our galaxy is just one among billions. We are only a tiny dot in this cosmic ocean. Fact 3. Black holes have gravity so strong that even light cannot escape. They are born after massive stars die. At the center of our galaxy is the supermassive black hole Sagittarius asterisk. These objects remain among the greatest cosmic mysteries. Fact 4. Space is filled with dark matter. It is invisible, but makes up about 27% of the universe. Scientists know it exists thanks to its gravitational effects. Dark matter is one of science's greatest mysteries. Fact 5. The universe contains dark energy. It makes up about 68% of all space. It is the force that accelerates the expansion of galaxies. Scientists still don't know its true nature. Fact 6. There are giant stars hundreds of times larger than the Sun. Uy Scuti is one of the biggest known. If it replaced the Sun, its surface would reach Jupiter's orbit. But such giants live short lives and die as supernovae. Fact 7. Supernovae shine brighter than an entire galaxy. Inside them, heavy elements like gold and silver are formed. Every jewel on Earth was once part of a star. Supernovae are the forges of cosmic matter. Fact 8. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A teaspoon of their matter weighs billions of tons. Some spin hundreds of times per second. These objects are known as pulsars. Fact 9. The solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago. It came from a giant cloud of gas and dust. The Sun ignited in the center, and planets formed around it. We are children of ancient cosmic dust. Fact 10. Jupiter has the Great Red Spot. It is a storm that has lasted for centuries. It is larger than Earth itself, and it shows no sign of ending. Fact 11. Saturn's rings are made of billions of icy and rocky particles. They look solid, but are actually a chaotic stream. Their thickness is only a few dozen meters. Their beauty remains one of science's mysteries. Fact 12. Venus is hotter than Mercury, even though it is farther from the Sun. Its temperature reaches 460 degrees Celsius. This is caused by a strong greenhouse effect. The planet is a warning of climate change dangers. Fact 13. Mars has Olympus Mons. It is almost 3 times taller than Everest. Rivers once flowed on Mars. And life may have existed there. Fact 14. Space is not empty. Gas, dust, and organic molecules fill interstellar space. They are the building blocks of life. The universe seems to have prepared the ingredients. Fact 15. Space is incredibly cold. Interstellar space averages minus 270 degrees Celsius. That is just 3 degrees above absolute zero, yet stars and planets are born there. Fact 16. The asteroid belt is not as crowded as in movies. Vast distances separate the rocks. Sometimes they leave the belt and head toward Earth. A few of them are dangerous. Fact 17. Comets are the dirty snowballs of space. They are made of ice, dust, and rock. Near the Sun, they form long glowing tails. These tails always point away from the Sun. Fact 18. In space the Sun looks white, not yellow. Without atmosphere, light does not scatter. Stars shine brighter than on Earth. The darkness of space is absolute. Fact 19. Time flows differently on the ISS. Astronauts see up to 16 sunrises and sunsets daily. Gravity and speed slightly distort time. They live milliseconds ahead in the future. Fact 20. The Moon has no atmosphere. That means there is no sound. everything is silent. Even a falling rock would make no noise. The moon is a kingdom of silence. Fact 21. The sun loses mass every second. It converts 4 million tons of matter into energy. This energy warms the Earth. But in billions of years, the sun will become a red giant. Fact 22. Space contains rogue planets. They do not orbit stars and wander in darkness. Some are larger than Jupiter. Scientists believe there may be more of them than stars. Fact 23. Space has a smell. Astronauts say their suits smell of metal and burnt steak. Scientists link this to ionized atoms. It is a scent impossible to feel on Earth. Fact 24. The universe expands faster and faster. Galaxies are moving away from each other. This discovery proved the existence of dark energy. It showed the cosmos is stretching into infinity. Fact 25. Time slows near massive objects. The stronger the gravity, the slower it flows. Near a black hole, 1 minute may equal hours elsewhere. Space literally bends time itself. Fact 26. Earth is shielded by its magnetic field. It deflects the solar wind and protects us from radiation. Sometimes particles break through and create auroras. The northern lights are one of nature's most beautiful sights. Fact 27. Scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some are located in the habitable zone. They may have Earth-like conditions. This gives us hope for extraterrestrial life. Fact 28. Some systems have 2 or 3 suns. On their planets, sunsets can happen several times a day. Such views feel like science fiction, but they are real in the universe. Fact 29. Quasars are the brightest objects in the universe. They are black holes releasing colossal energy. They can outshine thousands of galaxies. Quasars are the beacons of ancient space. Fact 30. Cosmic rays travel almost at the speed of light. They bombard Earth from the depths of the universe. Our atmosphere blocks most of them. But the strongest can even pass through our bodies. Fact 31. Galaxies sometimes collide. Stars are not destroyed because they are so far apart. But galaxies change shape and new stars are born. In billions of years, the Milky Way will collide with Andromeda. Fact 32. Diamond planets exist. Their crusts may be made of carbon crystals. One was found in the Serpens constellation. There, mountains may glitter like gemstones. Fact 33. Space can be heard through radio waves. Pulsars and galaxies send signals. Even the echo of the Big Bang still hums. It is the ancient whisper of the universe. Fact 34. The International Space Station is the largest object in orbit. It weighs more than 400 tons. It circles Earth every 90 minutes. It is a symbol of human cooperation. Fact 35. Humans grow taller in space. The spine stretches in zero gravity. Height increases by 3 to 5 centimeters. Back on Earth, it returns to normal. Fact 36. Fire burns differently in space. Flames become round and blue. They burn more quietly and slowly. Such fire looks very unusual. Fact 37. Food tastes different in space. Astronauts' nasal passages swell, making flavors weaker. They prefer spicy sauces. This helps restore rich taste. Fact 38. Astronauts see flashes even with closed eyes. Cosmic rays pass through the retina. They create the illusion of sparks. Space paints pictures inside their vision. Fact 39. Some stars live only a few million years. They burn through fuel too quickly. They die as supernovae and leave behind black holes or neutron stars. Fact 40. Variable stars change brightness. They shine brighter and then dimmer. Astronomers use them as rulers. This helps measure cosmic distances. Fact 41. Nebulae are stellar graveyards. They remain after stars die. The Crab Nebula is one of the most famous. It glows with colorful clouds of gas. Fact 42. The universe holds the echo of the Big Bang. This signal is called the cosmic background radiation. It fills all of space. It is the oldest light we can see. Fact 43. Pluto has mountains of ice. They are taller than the Alps and shine in sunlight. The temperature there is minus 230 degrees. It is a world of eternal winter. Fact 44. White dwarfs can steal matter from neighbors. When they gain too much mass, they explode. It is the star's second death, and it becomes a supernova. Fact 45. There are vampire stars. They pull matter from their neighbors. One star fades while the other shines. It is a cosmic duel. Fact 46. Active galactic cores emit more energy than billions of stars. This is caused by supermassive black holes. They shoot plasma jets for millions of light years. They are the most powerful objects in the universe. Fact 47. Red dwarfs can live for trillions of years. They are small and burn fuel slowly. Scientists think life may exist near them. These stars are nearly immortal. Fact 48. Fast radio bursts last fractions of a second. They release more energy than the sun in a year. Scientists don't know their exact origin. Each burst remains a mystery. Fact 49. Galaxies are connected by a cosmic web. It is made of dark matter and gas. Clusters of galaxies move along its filaments. The universe looks like a giant network. Fact 50. We are made of stardust. The atoms in our bodies were born inside stars. Space lives not only around us, but within us. We are children of the universe.